Before buying a turtle tank kit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all tanks are created equal, and understanding what's truly essential can save you time, money, and your turtle's health.
Product number 1, Chlorian Turtle Habitat Kit. The Chlorian Turtle Tank Acrylic Habitat Kit immediately caught my eye at a price of $42.99. It's a solid starter kit that comes fully equipped with a pump, net, plant, and a UVB light. If you want a low-maintenance environment for your baby turtle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3-layer filter keeps the water clean longer, which means your turtle can thrive in a healthier habitat. The built-in drainage hole makes water changes a breeze, cutting down on those tedious maintenance sessions. Plus, the multi-zone design, including a hideout and basking area, aligns perfectly with your turtle's natural behaviors. And at 6.57 gallons, it's compact enough to fit on your desk or shelf. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it might not be suitable for larger turtles as they grow. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a tank for a hatchling or a small turtle, this size is actually ideal. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or want a hassle-free setup for smaller turtles. Skip this one if you're planning to house larger turtles or more than one. At this price point, you're getting a great value for a complete kit. Product number 2, Hypeside Large Turtle Tank Kit. Priced at $94.99. It's a complete habitat solution, including a spacious tank, basking platform, UVB lamp, and even floating feeding rings. If you want more space for your turtles to roam, this one deserves your attention. The 10-liter capacity allows for a more enriched environment, which is crucial as turtles need room to swim and explore. The advanced filter keeps the water fresh, while the UVA/UVB lighting supports your turtle's well-being. I really liked the inclusion of plants that add both beauty and comfort to the habitat. Plus, the drain hole simplifies maintenance, making it a great option for busy pet owners. But I have to mention that some users found the assembly a bit tricky. Now, that could be a potential downside if you're not handy, but honestly, once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing from there. This is perfect for you if you want a larger setup that offers room for growth. Skip it if you're limited on space or prefer something smaller. It's a good investment for turtle owners wanting a bit more.
Product number 3, Godzilla Small Turtle Tank Kit, Black. The Godzilla Small Turtle Tank Kit comes in at $38.99 and is designed for small turtles. What stood out to me was the full set of accessories, including a lamp, filter, and decorative plants. If you're looking for a compact yet functional setup, this might be your go-to. With a 3-liter capacity and multifunctional areas for swimming, climbing, and resting, it's perfect for small reptiles. The adjustable UVA/UVB lamp is a game changer for keeping your turtle comfortable and healthy. Plus, the included 3.5-watt filter ensures clean water, which is essential for their well-being. It's all about providing a balanced habitat, and they nailed it with this kit. However, some users mentioned that the overall space feels tight for active turtles. Here's the thing though, if you're getting this for a baby turtle, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you need a compact tank for small pets or just starting out. Skip this one if you have larger turtles or plan on keeping multiple. For the price, it's hard to beat.
Product number 4, Hypeside Small Turtle Tank Kit. Another offering from Hypeside, the Small Turtle Tank Kit at $52.99. This one boasts a compact design that's great for beginners. It includes a basking platform, UVB lamp, and a waterfall filter, making it a well-rounded starter kit. If space is a concern, this is definitely worth considering. The 4-liter tank is just right for baby turtles, and the design ensures a healthy habitat with its effective filtration system. The UVB lighting is crucial for their health, and the waterfall filter not only keeps the water clean, but also adds a nice aesthetic touch. The built-in drain hole is a real lifesaver for easy water changes, which I found super helpful. Now, some users found the tank a bit too small for active turtles as they grow, but honestly, for hatchlings or smaller breeds, this size works just fine. This is perfect for you if you're new to turtle ownership or want a manageable tank for small turtles. Skip this one if you're thinking about larger species. It's a solid choice for the price.
Product number 5, Godzilla Small Turtle Tank Kit, White. We have another Godzilla Small Turtle Tank Kit, but this one comes in white and is also priced at $38.99. It shares many features with their black version, which makes it visually appealing as well. If aesthetics are important to you, this might be the one. Similar to the black model, it includes all the essentials, such as a full set of accessories and an adjustable UVA/UVB lamp. The size is compact, perfect for small reptiles, and it even has a DIY plant box for customizing your pet's environment. The 3.5-watt filter keeps the water fresh, which is a huge plus for maintaining a healthy habitat. However, some users noted the materials felt a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're gentle during setup and handling, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish habitat for your small turtle. Skip it if durability is your top priority. For its price, it offers good value, particularly for those who appreciate a sleek look.
So there you have it. We covered 5 great turtle tank kits: the Clearon Turtle Habitat, Hypeside Large Tank Kit, Godzilla Small Tank in black, Hypeside Small Tank Kit, and the Godzilla Small Tank in white. Each kit has its own strength, whether it's space, design, or ease of maintenance. Choose one that fits your needs best, and you'll create a lovely home for your turtle.